What's up, people? I'm back, and today we got some slush riding for real. The last ski board run of the season. I got two of my boys with me, Tony on the skis and Sammy on the snowboard. Although it was warm and slushy, we had a great time. Let's see if you can feel the vibe. Let's go! I swear I'm gonna hit that box and not fall. I swear.
crazy.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
That was wild. I don't know about you, but that one, that was a little too much for me.
I tried to take some of them, but I'm like, I can't take all the jumps.
No.
You
Like,
keep going.
is that someone's bra? A purple bra.
Uh,
Someone lost their bra.
we sure had fun though.
Yeah. As we come to the end, I truly hope you enjoyed it. I hope that with the good visuals and the good music, you were able to truly feel how much fun we had on this day. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to go ahead and hit that like button. Come back and check me out. I try to make videos on a weekly basis and try to share with you all the fun that I'm having with my gadgets and gear for life. As always, links to everything are in the description down below. If you want ski boards, check below. If you want electric unicycles, check below. If you're thinking about the Insta360 1X or 1R, check below. As I roll in here, you can see there's mud and slush and yuck.